Ever notice how some cars run flawlessly even after years of abuse, while others struggle after just a few? The truth is, great running cars aren't about luck. They are about knowing a few hidden secrets that keep everything under the hood working in perfect harmony. These aren't expensive upgrades or mechanic-only tricks. These are real-world hacks that can make your car smoother, quieter, and more powerful almost instantly. In this video, we are going to uncover 9 hacks that will make your car run better without major repairs. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Replace that dirty air filter. Your engine breathes just like you do, and if it's inhaling through a clogged air filter, it's gasping for air. A dirty air filter chokes the engine, forcing it to work harder and burn more fuel. You might notice sluggish acceleration, poor idling, and even that heavy feeling when you press the gas. Replacing the air filter is one of the easiest car hacks that gives instant results. Better throttle response, smoother idling, and more efficient combustion. If you want to take it up a notch, clean your MAF sensor using a proper cleaner spray. It helps your car's computer read air intake correctly, optimizing fuel delivery. The result? Your engine breathes freely again and responds instantly when you hit the accelerator. It's a 5-minute fix that brings your engine's lost performance right back. Hack number 2. Keep your tires at the perfect pressure. Tires are the hidden heroes of performance. You might think they only affect comfort or grip, but in reality, your tire pressure directly affects your engine's workload. When your tires are underinflated, your car has to push harder to roll forward, burning more fuel and stressing the transmission. Overinflated tires might look fine, but they reduce traction, make braking unsafe, and wear unevenly. Always check your tire pressure when the tires are cold and use the manufacturer's recommended PSI listed on the driver's door frame. Doing this simple check once or twice a month not only improves your fuel economy, but makes your ride smoother, quieter, and safer. It is one of the simplest hacks, but the difference is immediately noticeable. Hack number 3. Use the right oil and change it on time. Oil isn't just a lubricant, it's the lifeblood that keeps your engine alive. Using the wrong oil grade or delaying oil changes is like forcing your heart to pump sludge. Over time, oil breaks down, thickens, and loses its ability to protect metal surfaces, leading to increased friction and wear. Always use the oil viscosity recommended by your manufacturer. It's not just a suggestion, it's engineered for your engine's design. Change your oil before it turns pitch black, and never forget to swap the oil filter with it. High-quality synthetic oils resist heat better and can make your engine run quieter and smoother instantly. Think of oil like the difference between running with shoes or barefoot on gravel. With the right oil, your engine glides effortlessly instead of struggling through every revolution. Hack number 4. Clean the fuel system for stronger performance. If your car feels weak, stutters when you accelerate, or just doesn't deliver that same punch it used to, your fuel system could be the culprit. Over time, injectors collect carbon deposits that mess with spray patterns and combustion efficiency. The fix? Use a high-quality fuel system cleaner every few thousand kilometers. It dissolves carbon buildup, cleans injectors, and restores smooth power delivery. You'll notice the difference after a single tank. Quicker starts, better throttle response, and smoother acceleration. Also, try to fill up at stations with detergent-rich fuels. It keeps your injectors clean and prevents buildup from returning. Keeping your fuel system clean is like giving your car a new set of lungs. Hack number 5. Drive smoothly. Treat your engine with respect. Your driving style has more impact on performance than any part under the hood. Sudden acceleration, constant revving, and harsh braking all wear your engine, transmission, and brakes faster. Instead, learn to anticipate traffic, accelerate smoothly, and maintain steady speeds. The less your car has to react, the smoother and more efficient it becomes. Using cruise control on highways helps reduce fuel waste caused by constant throttle changes. Gentle driving keeps temperatures stable, reduces internal friction, and prevents small components from wearing prematurely. The best part is, smooth driving feels calmer, saves fuel, and extends your car's lifespan. Hack number 6. Fix small leaks and cracks before they grow. Most major engine problems start with tiny leaks that go ignored. A small coolant drip or oil spot under your car might not seem urgent, but over time it can lead to overheating, engine wear, or even failure. Check under your car once a week for any signs of wetness or dark spots. Look around hoses, gaskets, and seals for cracks or damp areas. Catching leaks early not only saves you from huge repair bills, but also keeps your car running at peak performance. When your engine fluids stay at proper levels, everything runs cooler, smoother, and with less friction. This is one of those small habits that separate average car owners from those whose engines last decades. Hack number 7. Lighten your car's load. Carrying unnecessary weight is one of the most overlooked performance drains. Every extra kilo makes your engine work harder, especially in city driving where you're constantly stopping and starting. Check your trunk. Do you really need that toolbox, water container, or those random bags rolling around? Removing unnecessary items instantly improves acceleration, braking, and fuel economy. Also, remove roof racks or cargo boxes when you're not using them. They create wind drag that hurts mileage at highway speeds. Even something as simple as cleaning your car inside and out can make it feel livelier. A lighter, more aerodynamic car doesn't just move faster. It feels smoother and more effortless at every speed. Hack number 8. Build a simple monthly maintenance routine. Here is the ultimate hack that ties everything together: consistency. Set one day each month to check your car's essentials: oil level, coolant, brake fluid, battery terminals, and tire pressure. It takes less than 10 minutes but gives you total control over your car's health. Keep a small notebook or phone log to note the last oil change, tire rotation, and filter replacements. These notes help you spot patterns and predict problems before they happen. The more consistent you are, the fewer breakdowns you will face. Over time, this habit keeps your car running smoother, makes it more fuel efficient, and even improves resale value because everything stays in top shape. Hack number 9. Use quality fuel. Your car's engine is a finely tuned machine that lives and breathes through the fuel you give it. Think of it like your own body. If you constantly eat cheap, low-quality food, you will feel sluggish and weak. The same goes for your engine. Using poor quality or contaminated fuel can cause carbon buildup on your valves, clog injectors, and make your combustion less efficient. This leads to rough idling, weak acceleration, and lower fuel economy over time. Quality fuel, on the other hand, is loaded with detergents and additives that keep your fuel system clean and your engine running at peak performance. Sticking to trusted gas stations and occasionally using a fuel system cleaner can help your car stay sharp, responsive, and smooth. That's all for this video. Making your car run better doesn't require fancy mods or expensive parts. It's all about care, awareness, and small daily habits. Clean air, proper oil, correct tire pressure, and smooth driving can transform even an old car into something that feels new again. So try these hacks today, and you will be shocked at how quickly your car thanks you for it. See you in the next video.